In this video, we are going to explore how to solve a quadratic equation by factoring. So we have this quadratic equation. Now we know it's a quadratic because our powers are all whole numbers and the highest power is a 2. Now when that's true, you always want to set it equal to 0. So if there's anything over here, we would move it. This one is equal to 0, so we're ready to go. We are going to look to see how could we factor this. Now let's look over some rules of factoring. If the back sign is negative, we know we're going to have a positive and a negative that multiply together to give us -3. And those values have to have a difference of 2. Well, the only thing that multiplies to give us 3 is 3 and 1. It has a difference of 2. So that's going to tell us it's factorable. So x squared breaks up to be x and x. -3 we know is going to be 3 and 1. We're going to look to the center, and that's going to tell us where to put our larger number. So we want our larger number to be positive. So that's going to be a 3, and that's going to be a 1. Now, once you have it in factored form, and we can verify that it's factored correctly because the x makes x squared. That's the first. The lasts should make -3. They do. And the inner and the outer should make +2. They do. We get a +3, -1. Perfect. Now, once you have verified that, we're going to break it into 2 pieces, setting both pieces equal to 0 and solving. So in this piece, we get x plus 3 equals 0. And if we subtract 3, we get x equals -3. And in our second piece, we got x minus 1 is 0. And if we add 1 to both sides, we get x equals 1. So that's how you solve a quadratic by factoring. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that helped. Please like it if it did, and if you could share it or subscribe, I'd appreciate it.